Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to increase your FPS in Monster Hunter Wilds while also keeping the image quality as high as possible. I'm going to show you the base settings at first and then how you can change them to get the best results. The graphic card used in this video is an RTX 2060 6GB, so it's a pretty low-end graphics card, and we're going to make this high-demand game run at stable 60 FPS.
People for their survival.
Now, for the optimized settings, I recommend using the high graphic preset. If you have a newer graphics card, you can even go to Ultra. The frame generation will be on, and the upscaling will be set to quality. Now, ray tracing, we keep this off because it's very demanding on the GPU. The textural quality and filtering quality go to high and high 16. Mesh and fur quality stay on the high setting. Now you want to change the sky and cloud quality to simplify display because it doesn't really make that much of a difference in my opinion. And the grass tree sway quality to medium, and then the sway, you can disable this. The foliage density can be set to low or even the lowest. It doesn't impact it that much. The wind simulation can be turned off. You can keep the water and distortion effects on. Now the shadow quality, I recommend turning this to the lowest setting, and the distant shadows to low. Now the shadow distance can be turned to near, so you only get objects that are near you, and the ambient lighting to medium because it's very graphic demanding. Now the rest of the settings can be left the same, except for the bloom, which we will turn to low or even off, and the volumetric fog, which will be set to the lowest setting. Now this setup should let you achieve 60 plus FPS on quality, or even on native if you have a newer graphics card. As you can see, I can get 50 plus without any trouble. But I still recommend keeping it on quality for a smoother experience. This last bit is only for players on PC that can mod their game. You can download the disable post-processing effects, and you can change the settings here to get a better image quality and increase your FPS. I recommend turning off DLAA, local exposure, lens distortion, fog, and lens flare, and this will give you constant 60 plus FPS while keeping the best quality possible. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and let me know if you would like any other optimization guides.